Day 2. Montreal Jazz Fest. Just getting my gear together. So, you gonna hang with me? Let's hang. What's up, people? How's it going? It's Day 2. Sound check with the Joy Labs project. Let's get my cymbals going. Warren Wolf, what's happening, man? I'm on Instagram Live. Warren just popped up. I will. Rich Brown says hi. You want to quickly wave to the people? Everybody, this is Rich Brown. Yeah. Someone said steel drums. Yeah, steel drums. So Joy plays the steel pan. A bunch of people are saying hi, Rich. Yeah, people. What's up, what's up? On stage, just getting the gear together. Using my hi-hats. I'll show you them later. Y'all ask about my stack, so this is what it is. Alright, so 14 Oriental China Trash. Using this as well, Gen 16 on the inside. And then I got this, KEFX on top. Yeah, good enough. On the far side, on the left, using the 17-inch Special Dry Trash Crash 2 rivets. Love it. Of course, 18 Crash, Special Dry, 19 Crash, Special Dry, 22-inch K-Custom Dark Complex Ride. I'm good for miking with heights. And that's my cymbal setup. I'm gonna lock these in. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Appreciate you being here online. If you're in Montreal, please come and say hi. We'd love to see you. We'd love to support. Come and hang. This festival has been awesome so far. Rich Brown in the back, just like. Okay. And then the hi-hats. So as I mentioned, so this is the bottom of the Fat Hats, Concept Shop Fat Hats 15. And this is something that's not out. Show it to you. It's not out yet. Hopefully we can get it out and let y'all have fun with it too. This top is not a Fat Hats top. I repeat, it does not exist yet. At least, I believe it's the only one. I made a recommendation and Zildjian was so awesome and made what I asked for. So, yeah. These are 15-inch hats. Okay. I'll be on a little bit later. Continue to say hi. Hope everyone is okay. Oh, how could I forget? I got one of these too. Yeah. Somebody asked if Rich Brown played on coconuts. Yes, Rich Brown played on coconuts. That signature sound. Totally tore it up. So, I love y'all. Please follow all these musicians. We got Rich Brown, Rob Christian, Jeremy Ledbetter, Andrew McCanch, Elmer Ferrer, and of course, Joy Laps. Here's the stage. I gotta drop these cymbals a little lower, but it's a great stage here. Joy's album gets released really soon. I believe it's tomorrow, July 8th, so check that out. It's called Girl Neon. And yeah, I'll be back on later. Peace. Again, if you're in Montreal, come out. We start at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We're at the Molson stage. All right? Peace.